As we are getting older, health has increasingly become a issue and priority in our life. Now, for the surgery to fix problem, to cure disease, Western medicine still play an important role. However, for preventive medicine, to prevent the medical issue become a problem, currently the Western medicine fail to do that. And that's where the Chinese medicine come in to play an important role to prevent the illness, disease ever happen, to let us to have a healthy body. Now, because of the language barrier, even though the Chinese medicine have a thousands of years history, but unfortunately, for it to be translated accurately in English, so far still very limited. I was able to find one of the few author, Daniel Ree. As you can see, this is two of the books he written that I find that he's one of the few is able to accurately to describe the Chinese medicine, translating from Chinese to English in a way that Western audience able to understand. So if you have time, are interested in Chinese medicine, I encourage you to look him up and buy some book from him to study. On the other hand, there are so many other Chinese medicine related books in Chinese that many or actually most of the Western audience are not able to get to know, simply because they don't understand Chinese. So for me, I interested in medicine, health in general for a very long time. I've been in the US for many years. So I study both in English about Western medicine, also studying English about Chinese medicine. And because I know how to read Chinese, I also study Chinese medicine books in Chinese. For example, these two books are called Yellow Emperor Classic Internal Medicine, which are the foundation of Chinese medicine for thousands of years. And then there are many other. Like in this book, it contains many secret Chinese medicine recipe or skill or technique to teach you how to prolong your life, have a healthy life, prolong your longevity. Those are from thousands of years of record. So I want to share with you guys today. But I don't want to get too much in trouble because the knowledge and the scope in the Chinese medicine is so vast. The more I learn, the more I realize how much I don't know. And then I also realize how much our Western audience are missing out of the valuable Chinese medicine that they play such an important role in preventive health, preventive medicines. But today, if you're new to the Chinese medicine, to make it simple, I just want to focus on one or two points. For example, for men, if you only want to know one thing, that you want to keep your good health, you want to live a long, healthy life, the number one secret from the Chinese medicine test is that don't or stop doing masturbation for men, because the loss of semen or loss of sperm are very, very bad for a man's health. Now, it doesn't mean you shouldn't have sex. You should have regular sex. In other video, I listed, based on the Chinese medical test, how frequently a man should have sex in different stage of their life. But because nowadays online pornography are so easy to access, and when men, especially young men, watch porn, it's very hard not to masturbate. And once a young man develops such a habit, it's very difficult to get rid of it. And as he get older, after age 30 and not even 40, if a young man have a weekly or even daily habit of masturbation, and as a result of ejaculation, loss of semen or sperm, you will find out later in your life there are so many health problems, not only just cause problems such as ED, all those things, but many other health problems relate to men. So if you can stop doing that, you will already get rid of lots of bad habit. And secondly, now if money is not an issue for you, in about I would say 40 years old, starting 40 years old, you should take Korean red ginseng daily or weekly, continuously, assuming the money is not issue. I know Korean red ginseng, especially the good one, are quite expensive. But for all the rich people out there, if you want to keep your good health, prolong your life, right? This is number one. And then for men, number two, the deer horn. That Chinese medicine is also a precious medicine for men, but it's also very expensive. So if money is not an issue, I would recommend that. Now, if money is an issue for most of us, I can recommend a few simple exercises that are free that you can do every day. For example, let's take a look at here. Because the kidney is such an important concept in the Chinese medicine. Every day, you see this picture B over here at your lower back. Just like that, use your two fists to rub or massage over there, right on top of your kidney, actually approaching in the middle of your back. There's a two acupuncture point over there. It's considered very essential, like the essential of your life force come from here. So for the Chinese medicine, very important, this one can be for both men and women, to massage over there every day at least 10 minutes. And then secondly, on the flip side, like on the picture C, but on your belly button, put your palm over your belly, while your thumb is right below your belly button, and then your small finger, right, touching your belly. So at the area of your small finger, that area is also considered very important in Chinese medicine. So you will use both of your palm, take turn to massage, rub over that area, the belly area, to make it warm for about 10 minutes every day. And then number 3 is also related to massage, is your feet. Try to massage using some kind of nowadays have many small tool massage equipment that can massage your feet, or you can do it yourself, or even better, before you massage, you soak both your feet in hot water, hot to a degree that you are able to bear. Soak for 10 minutes and then massage for 10 minutes. So these 3 exercises would help you if you do it regularly, if not daily, at least weekly 3 times, 10 to 15 minutes. That would guarantee to help you get a much better health. Even though if you are already have some kind of a illness now, doing all this will not have any negative side effect, but actually will still help you. So since it's free, so you can try it. This is the wisdom, the Chinese wisdom passed down from thousands of years ago, and it is still working. Now I mentioned about stopping the loss of semen and sperm, very important, the single most important factor for a man's health. Now for women, is the loss of blood, because women have this monthly period situation that is a natural phenomenon for women to lose blood at least once a month. Now for many women, they have an irregular period and sometimes they lose too much. So especially for women over 30, it's very important for them to make sure they replenish their blood after their period. Maybe eat some iron-rich food. Now for the Chinese, they would make some herbal soup specifically to help replenish the blood for a woman, right? So for women, the hormone balance and the blood is very essential for the woman's health. So that's why after menopause is a life-changing period for a woman, around the late 40, beginning of 50. So that's that's what I want to say today. Is if you only want to learn like one thing about how Chinese medicine can help you improve life, for women is take care of the blood. Okay, for men is take care of the not losing too much semen, sperm, and because of masturbation, such a bad habit that will cause you lose too much sperm or semen, that's very, very bad for a man. You will see many men in their early 40s already have gray hair. Just in other words, they age too early and have all kinds of sickness. It's because losing too much semen or sperm will decrease their immune system greatly. So be careful. So for now, I will just share about this main idea. Thank you very much.